Hey guys, so some kind of interesting stuff happened. My boyfriend Peyton, based on a few things that he had said on the phone, I thought, what? Yeah, I was a little bit shocked.
We're the boy family!
Okay, you also have a big huge piece of cardboard out there. If you want to use cardboard instead of paper.
Something.
Okay, so the back one, it comes out 30 inches.
From?
I measured it from this. So, that's about
5 inches.
4 or 5 inches.
That's gonna make his bed significantly smaller. He might not want to on that top.
Yes, you will, because he gets the most height, because he gets the middle. Nobody else gets a
Well,
middle.
does his actual bed go in here in this area?
Yeah.
Where will his bed?
Yeah, so his, he gets 38. So his mattress will be right here.
So his mattress will be pretty. I don't usually sit up, but
Yeah, like, because he's not as tall as you.
no.
You need 36 inches. The foam is 4 inches.
I need to know the measurements.
You're not telling me which measurements you need. You don't even know.
It's gonna have to be the bottom of the frame, which is a 2x6.
Okay.
I thought you had measurements for me to build stuff.
I do, but I
I'm
didn't.
running out of time. What is my note?
You're just going to be able to put his posts to where his bed is.
So his post could just come up to here. How many inches is that? Like
Minus
the boy's bed.
35. Okay, so I counted for an inch off the floor. Is that what we did on the other ones?
Yes. 35 from the floor.
34 3/4 is where that's going to land. Let's go see what Mom and Daddy did last night while you were sleeping.
This is the washing machine.
There's a washing machine and a fridge. Oh yeah, we'll send that. We're not keeping that.
We are. That is the one we're keeping. We returned the other one and already got this one. Yeah, you can look at it. That's the laundry room.
You should go on. Whoa, look at it. Are we keeping this laundry room?
Yeah, we're
Go on
keeping
your
it.
bed. Oh yeah. Go on your bed. Okay. That's my bed too. Can I sleep it? You're gonna sleep in it when there's a mattress in it. Okay. Ooh, can we lay on it when there's a mattress?
Once there's a mattress, yeah.
In all the kitchen
Yeah,
stuff?
that's yours.
Why you only make my bunk bed?
Well, we didn't have time to make everybody's.
Everybody wants bunk bed.
Everybody wants bunk beds?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How are you sleeping with me? What? People sleeping with Toby.
Supposed to do with Toby?
What? On the top, Toby?
That's Toby's, yeah.
Toby is gonna go. This is mine. This bottom one is go on your bed, guys. Okay. This is your bed, Levi. Okay. Can I come on your bed? There's a lot of dust in here. I'm coming on your bed. We just have to sweep this out. Yeah.
I bet gonna do it, yeah. Because I like this way better than that one.
Ah.
Away.
All right.
Stick your whole hand in there. When you smell it. Yucky! 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 Yucky!
I want to smell it.
Yucky! Laundry room. Yucky! 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 Close it up! Close the stinky smell up!
Good job, guys. Let's go. High five.
I
boy.
High
Oh, there we go.
High five! High five!
Aww.
Huggy? Huggy, huggy.
All right.
Come on, Pluto!
All right. I am heading out to the bus to do some work that I have literally been avoiding all day. It's not really my strong point. I have to use power tools. I have to use a saw. I don't like using saws. There's a video for those of you that have been watching since the beginning where I used a saw when we were still living in our coach bus. But honestly, it petrifies me. I'm so scared of it. Like, it takes so little to make a really big mistake. Like, really big. I have to cut the plastic sheets for the walls. But I don't want to do it. And Michael's not even here. He's not even here to help me or give me instructions or tell me how I'm doing something wrong. Like, it's all on me. Figure out how to change a saw blade. I think I did this before. It's probably easier than I think. Woo! Like that. Okay, I know I need a fine tooth blade, so I'm going with the finest one that Michael has. Okay, I called Michael. I was like, I don't know if this is going in far enough. It doesn't seem like it's in. And he's like, just turn it on and try. So I just went like... and the blade just jumped out. So I think maybe I got it in now because it did something different this time and this thing popped back all the way. I'm gonna take my measurements, I'm gonna try.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two.
I think it's perfect, except I gotta cut around fuel intake. Hi. I did the first one.
All right, I got my oscillating tool. Just need to give this a little trim. See if it works. Looks good.
This is spring and that is spring. So.
Immediate holding strength. Why do we keep getting this faulty crap?
Actually strong enough to hold it?
Yeah.
Wow.
What's his name? Spoke too soon? Flash. Duct tape.
There you go, Flash. It's getting duct taped after all.
Just to hold it in place and we're covering it. Nobody's gonna say this. Except everybody on YouTube. Into there. Just do this whole section.
Okay.
Should spray on like a webby. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Screw me up.
Okay, out. This is yucky stuff, okay, bud? That yucky stuff in here.
Is that what you wanted?
Okay, go ask Bethany.
So hold me tight through the night.
Love you, honey.
Did you make more stuff? Can I try? Ooh, can I try?
Don't fall out the back door.
Uh-huh. What did he do?
Built the bunk
Just
bed.
complete.
It's like almost 8.
Whoa, yep, this is
So what are you saying? That their beds are going to be
You always hang down on his
He's a
bed.
big.
He always lay down. He couldn't sit up on his bunk on the last. Kids are in bed. Michael's chopping wood. We're gonna work on the next set of bunk beds. So here we go.
Is it rolling?
Just rolling.
We got 2 bunk beds complete. Well, not completely complete. Just needs the slats. Kids want to be a part of that. Well, last time they were all independent bunk beds, but they were attached front to back, front to back. This is a horseshoe, so we were able to build off this one. So we didn't need a post here. We didn't need a post there. We didn't need a cross beam here. We didn't need a cross beam there. It just attached to the existing. We don't have a post, and it just keeps things feeling open. Especially in a small space, you want things to feel open. Pretty happy with this, how it's going. We had a little fight around the diesel fill, but we figured it out. Just a 2x2 inset inside the 2x6, and then our slats run across. I just make it flush with the bottom of the 2x6, but in this case, we run into that gas fill, so I had to notch it out. So this rung is set higher because of the gas fill. So if you were to put a level from here to here, like this sits lower. So we compensated for that.
So this one is up. It's not flush with the bottom.
It's not flush, we raised it
And then
flush with the bottom of this.
that one's flush.
So now the slats will be level. And no one will actually notice because you can't visually see that.
It's only a
difference.
1 inch, 1 inch difference.
And once the foam is in place, you definitely won't tell because the foam will rise above the rungs like the phoenix out of the ashes.
So we can't do any more tonight because
We're tired.
we gotta stop cutting because it's too late. And on this wall, we still have to put
Glue the plastic
the
sheeting,
plastic, which needs to be cut.
clean up the sawdust,
Yeah.
glue the plastic sheeting, and then build the 3rd bunk tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow we are having a garage sale.
We are.
So it's going to be busy. Lots going on.
Hey guys, it's me, Adri. I'm here, and I'm in Arkansas with some good friends right now. I wanted to fill you guys in on something interesting that happened this weekend. And I waited until the end of the video because everybody knows that you save the best for last. In my opinion, at least. Some interesting things happened. First of all, I have not seen Peyton in almost 3 weeks. And he decided to surprise me by coming up here. He led me to believe that he was at work. And he was actually on the road up here because it's a long drive. And then he walked in and completely surprised me. I had theories that he would maybe show up this weekend based on things that we had said over the phone and text and stuff like that. But nothing was for sure. And I was like, you know, I'm gonna convince myself this isn't happening in case it doesn't happen, and then I won't be disappointed. But he did show up, and surprised me, and I was shocked. And it was kind of amazing. He only stayed for a day and a half. He went home on Sunday. He only came for Saturday. We had an amazing time. We spent every waking minute together, and we just had a really, really great time. Somehow one of the girls managed to get it on video, so my family had a really fun time watching it and seeing my absolutely ridiculous reaction, because I was very excited.
Who's that?
Peyton.
She was totally clueless.
You had no idea. I've been chatting with her all day. Okay.
Right now she doesn't know he's there.
Crying?
Aww, it's like being you.
That was great.
I go through moments where I miss my family, but for the most part, I'm just excited to be down here right now. But yeah, I'll try to keep you guys updated. I don't film a whole lot because when we're doing fun stuff, I don't think about filming it, and when I'm not doing fun stuff, I'm not gonna film it because it's not that exciting. I spend most of my time right now just editing all these videos for you guys. I will try to put little updates here and there at the end of each video. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.